for a selfie. Just kidding. I'm with my buddy Adam, and we're going garage sailing, but we can't find any good garage sales. The arrows don't point the right directions. And the addresses, it's more battle trying to put in the address to figure out where we're going. And he's not listening country, so it's actually enjoyable. But we started close to my place. We're over by my workplace now, and still haven't came across any garage sales. Ooh, she's cute. So, yeah, there's a Rise vehicle. Don't know him. So, yeah. Oh, and I'm also drinking pop. So I'm a little bit amped up. I'm not drinking amp, because that's just energy. So, yeah. Figured I'd voice my opinion now. Wish there was like 20 garage sales. I said this twice now. But, really do. This is what it looks like going down the road.
Being random.
If you saw it clearly. My phone's not the best when I go like this. Oh, there it is. There. See? Boom. Ah. There's one. Yay. Alright, I'm done recording. 2-minute video. Almost. Mm-hmm. And there was no signs to point this way.
No.
We just came across it randomly. Alright, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye.